How can we create a Gmail account without having to add our mobile number? To do this on your mobile, go into your settings. Once you're in settings, from this section, you'll select Google. After selecting Google, you'll come to this section and tap the Add Another Account option. Okay, in this section, you'll choose the Create Account option. Now it asks if it's for your personal use or for your work or business. I'm going to say this Gmail is for my personal use. Here you'll enter your first and last name. In this section, you'll specify your date of birth and gender. In this section, it will suggest 2 email addresses for you, saying these are available. You can use them, or if you prefer, you can use this section to create your own account name. In this section, you'll give it a password. In this section, you'll tap the Next button, and finally, you'll confirm it. And just like that, our account was created without adding a phone number. You can create at least 3 of these Gmail accounts per day. If you try to create too many different Gmail accounts, it won't let you do it without a phone number.